Hello everyone, so how's everyone been? And today again I'm not going to pull as card 1, 2 and 3. I'm just going to pull a bunch of cards just to see how readings are coming. So card 1, Wisdom, Psychic Intuition Truth. Can you see this beautiful lady over here, the fairy? She is seeking out something. If you see here, the hand is looking out somewhere, so she's seeking out something. So maybe you need to go in search of the truth. If you feel there is something which is hidden, seek the truth, work on your intuition, work on your psychic energies, and I'm sure you will come to know what it is that it is being hidden. Now if you see here, there's a beautiful winged, it looks like a unicorn, but it looks like a fairy also. That fairy or that unicorn will take you, it will guide you, it will show you the truth that you want to seek. Now for some, maybe it is not the truth that they are seeking, it is clarity that they are seeking as to what they need to do in life and how they need to go forward in life. Then for those who are seeking clarity, can also look at the card. There is one point here which is more like a light or a star, so you will get your clarity. So today, use your wisdom, use your knowledge, use your intuition to get what you desire, and you get the reality of the situation, or to know the truth of the situation, or to even gain knowledge in when it comes to your work or anything that it is related to you. When I am seeing this card, I just feel, in case you see this reading before you leave for your work or in the beginning of the day or early morning, then today just go to your puja room, sit there for 5 minutes, burn a lamp, look at the glowing lamp, look at the fire in the lamp, and just focus on it, and just say, today whatever it is that I seek out, I shall get through the energies of the divine and the fairies. And just for 5 minutes you sit there and tell this, and then you can start for your day. Now I want to pull out for abundance also. What is your finances this week? Okay, love. So I would say whatever it is, it will come to you with love and affection, because here I don't see this and I don't see this. I see this lotus, and lotus is a symbolization of love. So I feel everything is coming. It's an abundant day. It's a day where you will be seeing good changes. It's a day where financially also, if you are looking for some money to come, if you're looking for some payment to come to you, then it will come to you. I just felt I should take out one of the cards from my moon magic also. So okay, I had said in the beginning, sit, look at the lamp, and get the guidance for the day. After that, before you get up, just say this to yourself 5 times. I accept renewal and delight in fresh starts. Do this along with the lamp which I had said, and I'm sure whatever it is that you're seeking out in the universe, you are going to get today. And end of the day, you're going to be really, really happy that you were able to get what you wanted. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.